How to write an article using WriteSonic. So you just need to head over right here to your dashboard. You can see that you have some credits right here. So if you have some credits, you should be able to do everything. So for this one, let's head over and choose in here this article writer as well. And then from in here, this will load you to the article writer that they have. So in here, just enter your topic. So for example, let's put in here topic like eggshells as toothpaste. Let's say something like that. And then you can see in here your language, the country that you're actually using this with, as well as the type of article you want. For example, for this one, I'll just head over and then just choose good right here. And then from in there, click on this next option. Once you have done that, this will load and over 1 million articles have been created with this actual AI article writer 6. So you can just wait and make sure that you actually have a really good article right here. Now in here, it will ask article type, and in here, just put in here the article type that you want. For this one, I'll head over and use in here factual articles. And then you can take reference from top ranking articles, or you can also add your own sources if you want. For this one, I'll head over and use in here top ranking and click on next. And then you can also guide in here a strategy. You can select in here this research from factual websites, science directs, and a lot more. So you can choose in here this and click on continue. And then you can also choose in here your primary keyword that is actually the next step. So I'll just head over and then choose in here this first keyword and click on continue. And then you can also select a title on the next page right here. So in here, let's put in here an actual thing right here, which is this benefits of using eggshell toothpaste for dental health. And let's click on continue. And then just select the secondary keywords that actually prompts with this one, as well as other configurations, headings, additional enhancements, and a lot more. So you just need to actually do everything that's been asked for you on this case right there. You can choose in here the article length or article length you want. So let's choose in here 5 to 6. You can also put in here point of view, as well as the brand, voice, the tone, and additional instructions. And then just click on continue, and you can select your headings that they will actually put in here an outline that can structure your content, as well as additional enhancement and then actual generation. So we have in here these choices. So just head over and then just choose in here which one you want. For me, I'll head over and choose this one and then click on continue. And then after that, we will have in here this. So head over and continue again from there if you want. And then once you have selected the subheading, you can choose in here additional enhancement like facts right here, citations, and a lot more, and then click on generate. Then after that, this will generate the article for you. So just wait in here until it generates. This can actually take a few minutes up to some seconds, depending on which one you want. So just wait for this, and after that, it should be able to write an article on your behalf. So that's how you write an article using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.